is Rosa Kelly. Welcome back to the channel and to a new little project share. So today I'm here to share with you this adorable little book. This is a 5¼ by 5¼ endless style mini album, and it is just super quick and easy to create. It has a lot of room for pictures, very dynamic, and I just love how this turned out. So this is another one of the projects that I created for my digital magazine. So on the magazine, you will find a step-by-step picture tutorial, cutting guide to create these, and of course all the other projects in the magazine. But today I just wanted to do a quick walkthrough and share with you how it works. It's a lot better to see it in video than sometimes with the pictures. So I just wanted to show you the interactive elements here. And so on the cover, I have some beautiful flowers. These are all Prima flowers, and then this cute little frame that I had in my stash. I thought it was really pretty. I love that this little bird is the same color as the flowers. I decorated the cover really pretty to just make it very girly and fun. I love this little paper collection. It's one that I had in my stash for a long time. But the insides are really flat, as you can see, so it's kind of like a little pocket book, something to just kind of have and take with you, maybe on a trip, maybe to store a lot of pictures without creating so much space. But yeah, so on the center I have this circle. I did a double circle cutout to kind of imitate a lens, and also to create some volume. So I have layers of chipboard on the back of each one of these circles. Then I have some bling here on this trim on the center, and then some pearls going along the top. And this collection had a lot of like blue and pink colors. It's very Parisian style. It is an older collection. Let me see if I can find the cover, but yeah, I had it for a really long time, and it is a collection by Penny Lane. I don't know if they are still in business, but if I find it, I will link it below. And so let's go ahead and take a look inside. So I have this twine to just kind of keep it all together, but this opens many different ways. So again, the papers are just really pretty, really Parisian, shabby chic, also kind of like cartoony too, which I really love. Then this opens up again to the side. Then this whole piece opens up, and this opens here, and then it opens again this way, and then we open this here again. So just so many different ways to interact with these pages. And then this whole thing opens down, and then it opens to the side again, to the side here, and then it expands many different ways. So again, really fun and easy to create. Also on the magazine, you'll see options if you want to continue building, just kind of following the same steps and repeating. You can make this even a bigger version, a chunkier little book. Now I also like that you can display this book. If you are setting this up on your table, it can be displayed like open, like standing up like a little easel. So I just wanted to do this quick project share so you can kind of see it and visualize it, how the pages open and interact. And to be quite honest, I always get even confused of how many pages there are here. So once you start counting and adding your different papers, you'll see. Yeah, so I don't even, yeah, so all of those. But anyway, I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough of this quick and easy little project. These come together so fast also, so they're perfect if you want to do like a craft fair or start kind of building up your stash for Christmas gifts. And another fun aspect is that, as you can see, all the inside pages are all the same size, so it makes the matting process super quick. And again, perfect for a quick little gift idea, and then you just decorate the front of the book. The fact that this little book is also really flat means that you can also give it as a card and kind of have like a mini album card type of thing if you want to kind of fill this up with pictures for a friend or for a special birthday. So yeah, so I hope that you guys enjoyed the walkthrough. I want to thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for all your support, and if you're subscribed to the magazine, I want to thank you double. And again, I'll have a link below, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.